Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce marketing overheads with Pinterest, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce marketing overheads using Pinterest, first create a business account on the platform. This will give you access to Pinterest analytics and other business tools. Next, define your target audience. Understanding who you're trying to reach will help tailor your content effectively. Conduct thorough keyword research related to your niche. Use these keywords to optimize your profile and pin descriptions. Create visually appealing pins that showcase your products or services. High-quality images are critical for capturing attention on Pinterest. Utilize Pinterest boards to organize your content. Group related pins together to create a streamlined browsing experience for users. Develop a content calendar to stay consistent with your pinning schedule. Regularly pin new content to maintain visibility in users' feeds. Leverage user-generated content by encouraging customers to share their experiences. This can provide authentic promotion while minimizing your own production costs. Engage with the Pinterest community by commenting on and repinning others' content. Building relationships within the platform can expand your reach. Monitor your Pinterest analytics regularly to assess performance. Identify which pins are generating the most engagement and consider adjusting your strategy accordingly. Utilize Pinterest ads if your budget allows, but focus on organic growth strategies first. Finally, continuously experiment with different types of content. Learn from successful pins and adapt your approach to maximize your marketing effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.